Model CTL618EM toolroom lathe. Cyclematic, 15 years of professional manufacturing experience of high-precision lathes in Taiwan. The spindle is mounted in high-precision preloaded ball bearings, eliminating radial and in-play. Available in taper or threaded spindle nose. The spindle nose accommodates a 6-inch chuck or 5C collets using a fast lever collet closer. Infinitely variable spindle speeds from 135 to 3025 RPM can be obtained while the machine is running. When the high-low speed lever is placed at center of position, the solenoid brake is automatically actuated. The full bearing carriage is laminated with tersite B to reduce friction and increase accuracy. The carriage runs on a solid hardened and ground bedway and is pressure lubricated. All precision gears and clutches run in an oil bath completely enclosed by a double wall apron. Independent, infinitely variable feeds can be changed instantly at any time, producing efficient chip removal and smooth surface finish. The full bearing tailstock supports work up to 18 inches in length. Takes number 2 Morris taper shank tools with automatic tool release on return. All axis handles are equipped with inch metric dials. The dual range inch metric quick change gearbox will cut thread pitches from 11 to 108 threads per inch and 0.275 to 2.7 millimeter. Additional inch metric threads can be cut with optional change gears. The gearbox and lead screw operate only when the thread gearbox knob is engaged. Automatic thread length control with fine adjustment to shoulders or into blind holes is provided. The quick action tool post slide for threading is instantly cleared from the work for a carriage return, greatly simplifying threading operations. A taper turning attachment is available as optional equipment. It is based on the sine bar principle, swiveling the guide bar from one end. Graduations are 1/8 taper per foot and in degrees. Cyclematic for high speed, high accuracy, high performance.